I'm so glad I am the child of the King. I can do all things through him. He has given me strength. There is nothing impossible for the believer. I believe. Therefore have I spoken. It shall come to pass. Whatsoever you say, believe and you will receive it. Walk in the light as he is in the light. And you will have fellowship one with another. And the blood of Christ, he is going to give you the power to be transformed. Are you ready? Are you ready for your breakthrough?